but you must enter it yourself. Thank you. Allocate sugarcane to nearby factory. English medium school principal Mrs. Janvi has announced that they will be celebrating Children's Day today in their premises, in which Sudhakaran LKG and UKG students. What is the name of our school? LKG and UKG, name of our school. Anyone child can answer. ಒಬ್ಬರು ಯಾರನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? Yes, NV English Medium School. That is Nutan Vidyalaya English Medium School. Next question is for first and second standard. Who is the principal of NV English Medium School? Janvi Rao. Yes, the correct answer is Mrs. Janvi Rao. Then next for third and fourth standard, name the national bird of India. Very good children. Next question goes for fifth and sixth standard. How many consonants and vowels are there in English alphabet? 5 vowels and
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲದರೊಳಗೂ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊರಹಾಕಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಮತ್ತು
बचपन में अलग बात है. Happy Children's Day.